Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 15 Pro Max, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, we will need to add a screen recording toggle in our control center, which we do so by going into the settings and then navigating to control center. And here you want to scroll down and locate the screen recorder toggle. Press on the plus button to add it. As you can see, it gets added to the top section right here. And when you pull down your control center, you can now access it right over here. So from here, you can just tap on it. It will begin a countdown. And after it reaches 0, it will begin recording. So whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device. Now, I'm not sure if it varies between Android and iPhone, but for instance, if you have Netflix, on Android at least, for some reason that application has control to block your screen recorder. So if you ever encounter such a recording where you have just black screen, just know that it looks like iPhone would fall under the same category. I'm not sure if this is the case right here, but if it is, if you encounter such a problem where you have just black screen in your screen recording, just know that the application you were trying to record didn't want you to record it. Anyway, once you're done recording, you can interact with this little overlay right here and select the square. This will automatically save your screen recording to your Photos application, so I'll open that up right now. And the easiest way to find it is either by going into the library, and it should be visible somewhere in here. I think this is it right here. But later on you can also find it easily by going into the albums, scrolling all the way down, and here you'll find Screen Recordings album. You can click on it, and obviously in here you'll just find Screen Recordings. Now the one that I have captured is this one, I believe. Yep. So there we go, it's already playing back. So there we go, that is how you can record your screen on this device, and also where you can find the pre-recorded video. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.